Introducing the dual DC power socket, 2.1 mm and 2.5 mm compatible. Dual DC power socket accepts both 2.1 and 2.5 mm plugs. One socket, two plug sizes, simplifies power design and reduces part count. Switched contact design disconnects the internal circuit when a plug is inserted. Rated 12 volts DC up to 5 amps for chassis and PCB versions. Surface mount version rated 2 amps at 12 volts. Available in 3 mounting styles: chassis mount, PCB contacts, and direct SMD. Designed for durability over 5,000 insertion cycles. Copper alloy contacts tin-plated for reliable performance. UL94 V0 housing built for strength and heat resistance. Ideal for audio gear, power supplies, and general electronics. Flexible, reliable, and easy to integrate.